So here we want to open this tablet. First of all, we take out the cover and also find a place for opening the device. If you think it's so hard, you can use a spatula or a ID card for opening it. For example, I use this ID card for opening this tablet. It's a bit hard, but it's open. So we can open it. Let's first check if the phone is not on, and also try to find good edges for opening this device. Already been cracked and hard to open. So it's open now. So we have to unplug the battery with this spatula and take the battery out. Then we will use this screwer to unscrew the screws. Be careful, when you want to take out this flat, you should open it in this way, as you see. Now it's open and you can plug it out. So, let's go on opening the screws. I was looking for my pants and I found it. So only the speaker screw is left. We open it. Now we unplug all the connectors or disconnect all the connectors like this. Take out the speaker. This is its speaker. We put it somewhere. And also disconnect the antenna cable. So here we will disconnect the power buttons flat. We should open the lug and then take out the flat. Disconnect the flat in this way. So, and also we should disconnect the touch. I mean the flat. So for disconnecting the flat, we should be so careful because if they ripped off, they won't work anymore. It's so sensitive, as you see. So we keep on opening it. Should be so careful. So this also came disconnected, and we can take out the motherboard. So well, this is the motherboard that, as we see, its socket has been changed, but it's now, as you see, it's floating. So we should fix this.